we got a car for our birthday.
Yeah!
Hey, turn around, bud. Do you just love it?
I would just flip it around.
Go forward and then reverse. Come on, wait. Good morning, everybody. It is May 20th, mine and Brock's birthday. That's crazy. We are gonna be turning 15 in an hour. No, just kidding, I don't know. Like, it's me and Brock was born at 8:02. Yeah, Brock was born at 8:02 and I was born at 8:04. And so that's when we officially turn 15. So we better enjoy the rest of the minutes of me and Brock being 14, which is kind of weird. We're gonna be 15 and then we can get like our permit and stuff, which is even crazier. But yeah, this morning we were just hanging out. Downstairs. We're gonna get some breakfast and then I think after like at 6:15 we're gonna wait, no, not 6:15, like no, 6:45 we're gonna open presents and stuff. So yeah, right now it's not too exciting, but it will get really exciting in just a little bit.
All right.
We're gonna open our
Who wants to go first? I bet you can't. I bet Brock can't guess what one of them.
I bet I can.
What is this?
Should I ride it with the rabbit man? Just kidding. I'm opening this one right here. What is it? Oh, it's the fingerboard. I actually had the exact same one as this, but I lost it during school, so definitely not gonna use this. But it's like it comes with stickers and like everything. Yeah, and you can build it too.
Let me see it. It's
Pretty dope. It's like you make your own little fingerboard. Sweet. Okay, I'll open my present. My first present. And by the way, Mom, we're not even 15 yet. We have like an hour and like
5 minutes, 20 minutes. Yeah.
Come on.
Should make you wait to open your present
Let's
then.
see what's in here. I think I can open it this way. There we go. I think it's my water bottle. Yay!
Austin, that's what you wanted, is a water bottle for your birthday?
Yeah, duh, because I don't have a water bottle. That's so good. Oh, whoa, that one's huge. Oh my gosh. That's a lot bigger than I was expecting, but okay. Just kidding.
Do you still want that one?
Yeah, I still want this one. Or if there's other smaller sizes, then maybe another.
Yeah, let's get a smaller
Because
size.
this looks way big. Look how big it is compared to his head. I like go to school, put it in my bag.
Birthday present fail.
I'm not gonna be drinking this much water.
When ordering on Amazon, you really need to check the size.
And it has 2 lids. That's actually pretty cool.
Okay, so put
Because,
them,
like, you can...
here, let me put them back in the,
Okay.
here.
Oh well, at least you have something to look at. Guess what? I'm reordering gifts I already had. So I got this necklace, but I actually broke it right before we were on camera. So I got this too. Yeah, I feel like once you're older, when you're doing like your birthdays and stuff, I feel like you just like kind of order the same things. Like me and Brock, we got.
Wait, Boston has to open a present now.
Yeah, it's my turn. Hurry. Okay, I'll open this quick.
No, pull this side up.
Caution for reading. Wonder what it is. Defense spray.
Is that what it really is?
Yeah, it is. It's pepper spray. Look, and then you put it on here, and then.
Boston!
I'm kidding. I know how to use this. I have my own pepper spray. This is actually really cool. Don't get too close.
I know.
No, I really wonder if I like something really, really bad, or if it's just like a.
Yeah, it does, Boston.
And I'm not even gonna try it, but.
You need to put it like in your closet high away, because like if little kids came over.
Yeah. Look what I got.
Silly bands.
Oh my gosh, that was like so what we got when like like in 1st grade or something.
Yeah.
In 1st grade. Here,
so
show them
simple.
always.
I'll show them. They have like different kinds too, like
Oh, there's like a
cheers.
rainbow.
They have scented and glow.
The stuff that you guys ask for is
Peace
so
sign.
bizarre.
Oh my gosh. Bro, you should wear these to
Iron Man.
school. Wear these to school.
Look, Iron Man character bands. That's sick. I'm
That's
gonna wear
awesome.
this to school. Logo bands.
Okay, I'm gonna open my next one. I don't really know what this is. Oh, yes! It's goggles for a pool. Because then we can like film a lot more underwater. Because we have like a underwater case and stuff. And we have a GoPro, so this will be easier. And these are just like the ones that I want. And they have 3 of them.
Oh, good.
That's awesome.
Okay, Brock, next up.
All right. present. Oh, I already know what this is. I think I know what this is.
Oh, it's the dog carrier. Franny, where are you? Come here, babies. It's a dog carrier. Oh my gosh. Okay, come here.
Wait, while he's there,
Hold this.
I'll open this.
Franny, you want to go to school? Brock, will you help me?
Yeah, sure. Okay. Look, guys, I got some BBs too.
Okay, help me with Franny. Okay, Franny.
Hi, cheers.
Oh my gosh, this is so cute. And it's meant for dogs too, so. This is so cute. Here, wait, how do I wear it? This looks hard to wear. Hold up.
Maybe you should have like figured it out before you threw her in it.
No, I know how to do it. You know, put these ones together. And we'll do
What'd you think about that wrapping job? Did you know what it was?
I couldn't even tell. Just kidding. No, I knew, but this is so sick.
Oh my gosh, look how cute this is. Oh.
No, I think you put it on your front.
No,
Yeah.
she was on the back, I saw it. Babies. Oh, I can feel her feet. That is so cute.
Well, she looks like she loves it.
Okay, turn around, bud.
Do you just love it?
I would just flip it around to the front so you can like,
It's like so I can watch her and play with her.
yeah.
Okay, babies. This is a bag I cannot drop. Okay.
And I was like, at first I was like, oh, that's hurting her neck.
Boo, you're so cute. Yeah,
But
it
it's not.
doesn't.
Okay.
It's just it's like an elastic thing for like wherever her neck is, it just sends.
I bet Franny is so happy you got this gift.
You love it. This is so cute, actually.
Okay, Brock, let's see what you got. This is literally the only time that you.
Whoops.
Not in the house.
Really?
Not in the house.
No, Dad. Whenever we go places, I can just hold her onto my back.
It's so smooth.
Good.
It's a Jeff Kendall one. This is so cute.
See the bottom of it. Jeff Kendall.
Wait, I still have one more present. I still have one more present.
Santa Cruz.
My last present of all.
Franny, you want a treat after this? Should we get a treat?
Yes! I got the 2 I Survived books I wanted. The I Survived books are like, they're like these really short books and I love them so much. I Survived the Mount St. Helens and the Attack of the Grizzlies. That's it, I can't wait to read these.
Well, happy birthday, boys.
Thanks. I'm so happy with all my presents. Yes. Mom, Dad, and Brock and me, we're all going to lunch. What time are you guys gonna pick us up at?
Or before, and then they can be on the call.
Yeah, we'll see.
Yeah, I'll
Okay.
do it before.
Okay.
All right.
Yay!
It depends on, I don't know what time, it depends on what
Or
time
we
my
can just
meetings.
come home and we'll just
Depends on what time my meetings are.
Just kidding.
Okay.
Okay.
Hey, Brock, show me your silly bands and
Oh,
stuff.
my favorite gift actually, guys, is my... This is definitely my favorite
Back
gift.
and
Oh, Boo Boo, you
Back and
love
gone.
it.
Hey,
Guys, after getting this out this morning, it's so much fun to put Franny in it. So, I'm gonna put her in it, and me and her are gonna walk around together, and she'll be on the back. Okay, wait, I gotta move her arm. Help me move her arm. Hi! Okay, there we go.
It's okay.
This is so cute, look. Look, guys. All right, so right now, I think me and Boston, we're gonna take the golf cart for a spin, because we actually got that for our birthday too, but we got it a little bit earlier. So yeah, it's been pretty sick. We're gonna go, and we're gonna go take a little drive, so let's go. All right, Franny's coming with us too. Franny, you excited? But yeah, let's go for a ride actually right now, so vroom.
All right, there she is, guys.
Okay, so I don't know if we've told you guys, but we actually put like some little decorations on here so you guys can see. We have like a yokai, some Yoshi, little keychains. So yeah, we don't even know what like the yokai stuff is. All we know is the Nintendo Yoshi. Okay, Brock, you ready?
Oh, show them the sticker that we got. What sticker?
Oh yeah, B plus B. It's the funnest thing ever.
We literally got that, so let's go take a drive.
Guys, we got a car for our birthday. Just kidding. But yeah, this is sweet. We're gonna go for a spin. We also have a garage opener, so we can open the garage with that. Okay, see you in a bit, Brock. Go. Let's see if Brock will make it out safely. Woo! Woo! We're driving. This is awesome. Guys, look, our grandma's here. Hey, Grandma. Oh my gosh, look, Franny is dying to see her. Guys, she stayed, well, Franny She stayed with our grandma for like a whole week while we were gone in California and stuff. And so look at this. Our Franny is obsessed, and like when she came back home, she was so depressed after like not being with our grandma. It was hilarious, but she just came over to say hi, and yeah. Look, our grandma is giving us our presents. Target gift cards.
Happy birthday.
Open it up. Happy birthday. That's sweet. Thank you, Grandma. That's awesome.
From Grandma and Grandma.
From Grandma and yeah, Grandpa and Grandma.
Grandpa and Grandma.
Yeah, this is awesome. Thank you, Grandma. This is sweet.
Happy birthday to you. On the phone we said Brock first.
Yeah, I guess he's born first. Yeah.
I'm giving you
Okay.
equal shot here.
Yay!
Guess
Open our
what?
birthday cards.
Something you don't have any need for.
Let's see.
Happy birthday. Look who joined the 15-year-old club. Happy birthday, Boston. Boston, happy birthday. Look, JT. That's sweet.
You guys got it.
And then it says in the card, it says, "Dear Boston, you have officially joined the Club 15, and boy did you grow up fast. But a wonderful young man you have become. You have a very kind, compassionate heart, and you look out for those who need recognition. Have a very happy birthday. Love you tons. Pops and Masu."
Aww.
And then
Look, it is.
Thanks.
Okay. Dear Brock, you too have officially joined Club 15, and you are shooting up too fast. Before long, you will pass us up in height. But
Hopefully.
yeah, hopefully. A fun, great man you have become. You have a great personality that makes us laugh, and you two are very caring. Okay guys, we're going to Texas Roadhouse for our birthday dinner today. It's gonna be awesome. We love Texas Roadhouse so much. As you guys have probably seen like a few of our videos, like we've been there quite a bit. So I feel like every single time we vlog, we like always come here. But yeah, we're going in there right now. Thank you, Brock. We're gonna head in, open up the door. Sweet. Look, we got the buttered rolls with the cinnamon and like the really soft rolls. This looks so good. And all of us were sitting down with our grandparents.
Grandma brought extra butter.
Oh yeah, and Grandma asked for extra butter, which is awesome. Cause that's like the best butter. So thank you, Grandma, you're awesome. We are now having our birthday dinner. Is it so good, Brock? You love it? We got like the sweet potatoes and stuff. It has like the marshmallow and stuff. It's like the best thing ever. But yeah, everybody else is eating. Looks delicious.
Alright, Texas Roadhouse, can I get your attention please? We have a little bit of double trouble here in the birthday town. We have Brock and Boston turning 15. Let's both give a round of applause. I'm talented. Can I get your loudest, proudest Texas eyes, y'all? 1, 2, 3. Yeah!
Show me what you got.
Delicious ice
Thank
cream.
you so much. Go. Yeah, just one. Just one.
This is good. Me
Like it?
Ice cream, yeah. Alrighty, heading into the golf cart. And I want to ride the golf cart. I think our family's gonna come with us too. So yeah. Are you guys ready to go on a little adventure? We have a tripod on our thing, so we'll just put you guys on there, and then me and Brock will do a drive with me. Just kidding. No, but we actually could. We could do a drive with me on our golf cart. We have so many new videos that we could totally. I know. Do with our golf cart. Oh yeah. Okay, I think I'm gonna connect you guys right here. Should I do? Wait, stop. Don't shake it. Don't shake it, because I'm trying to attach this on. Okay, I think this is gonna work. Wait, Brock, move. And then if the camera falls, you just put your hand right there for now. Just and then I'm gonna start the car, okay? We're gonna put the keys into the car, turn it to the on button position, and go forward and then reverse. Come on, wait. Oh shoot. Brock, hold that. Dope. Okay, you guys ready? Here, we'll open the garage. All right. Wait, why are we going? Because we're going out. We're going outside. Cool. Okay. 3, 2, 1. I like going to hit the garage. Yeah, go. There we go.
Go down the sidewalk.
Okay, we're heading out. You guys look. I'm driving. Whoa! Oh, that was scary. That was scary. We almost crashed. Guys, I'm not even driving. I don't even have my hands on the wheel. You guys, that was so much fun. We just really rode around the neighborhood for a little bit. That was so much fun, but now I'm coming back inside because, I don't know, I'm just gonna hang out here for a little while. Dad, are we doing anything for dessert tonight or no? Because I know we're not doing cake, but maybe we can make like brownies or something? Maybe?
Yeah.
Brock is trying out his skateboard he got. Oh, he's just trying to do some tricks. Trying to be a skater kid.
Can't do anything right now.
Oh well, but right now we're heading over to Jamba Juice. We're gonna go get like a smoothie instead of like cake and stuff because me and Brock, we don't love that cake that much, so that's a good idea. Brock wants to go to Sprouts and get his own watermelon.
Well, you should go to Harmon's because it's right here.
Oh yeah, just go to Harmon's.
And then I can get it even bigger.
Or there's Target, you can go into Target, but we just barely got Jamba Juices. And so this is gonna be pretty much like my birthday cake, even though it's not like really birthday cake.
Okay, are you gonna go in Harmon's?
This is just really good.
Probably.
Okay, we're right here.
Okay, Brock, see you in a second.
No, you have to
go get your personal watermelon because that's what he wants for his birthday.
Boss?
Okay, I'll go with you. I'll go with you and then I'll vlog it. Would you guys choose watermelon over birthday cake? I think me and Brock probably would most of the time, unless if it's like a really good cake. Okay, so then there are big ones, but Brock has insisted on getting a small baby. Do not break that, oh my gosh. Okay, Brock's like, Brock, stop. If it breaks, then you're gonna have a broken watermelon for your birthday. Okay, let's go pay for it. He has his own little baby watermelon. Brock, you should just get a bigger one. And it's cheaper to get a bigger one than a small one.
Just kidding.
Oh my gosh. $4.11 later, Brock will get his own little baby watermelon.
Happy birthday from all of us to you. We hope that all your birthday wishes can and will come true.
Okay. Oh yeah, start singing.
Happy birthday from all of us to you. We hope that all your birthday wishes can and will come true. Hey!
Okay, here we go.
Oh, that was so funny.
3, 2, 1, and
wait, I haven't made my wish. Wait,
wish. A wish. Okay. Wait. There's like wax in Boston Street. I know, yeah, it probably is. Yeah, there's like a little bit of wax. Do you guys want to know what I wished for?
Can't tell.
I can't tell. It also won't come
I think it's done.
Yeah, well.
I wish
can I see the picture?
Wait, I wish that I would pass my permit. Like
Yeah, go watch.
Why would you tell everyone now you're not going to pass your permit?